Today I'm making shortcut crinkle cookies. First I'm going to add 1 box of brownie mix. Next I'm going to add 1 egg. Next I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter. Next I'm just going to mix that all together until the dough forms. Now it's time to make the chocolate crinkle, so first I'm going to take a scoop of the dough and place it in this bowl of powdered sugar that I have, and then I'm going to roll it in the powdered sugar and then place it on the cookie sheet. Next I'm going to bake these at 375 for 10 minutes. Here's an up-close look of the shortcut crinkle cookies.